Hi friends, myself Nutan. I welcome you all to my channel Exploring the World of Investment. Some of my friends have asked me to cover some investment products which are applicable for the senior citizens. So let me just explain you. So one of the product which I would like to cover today, that is a Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, PMVVY. Okay, most of the peoples are not aware of the same. See, retirement scheme. Whenever we say retirement schemes, we think of the senior citizen savings scheme. That is the only product most of the senior citizens are aware of. So today, what I have decided is to start with the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Okay, so it's like it's like a senior citizen savings scheme only. In senior citizen savings scheme, the tenure is of 5 years, wherein Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, the total investment tenure is of 10 years. Okay, so this is a retirement come saving plan for the senior citizens, which is backed by LIC and Government of India. This scheme was launched in May 2017 and it is available for sale till March 2023. Total lock-in period is of 10 years. Whatever the amount you are investing is called as the purchase price. Okay, so you can start with the purchase price of 1.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. So minimum amount of investment is 1.5 lakhs and maximum amount of investment is a 15 lakhs. Okay, the rate of interest applicable for this financial year is 7.4% per annum. You can take interest. Okay, you can interest in the sense you can take a pension on monthly basis, quarterly basis, half yearly basis and yearly basis. Okay, all the options are available. Minimum permissible pension is rupees 1000 on rupees 1.5 lakhs and maximum 9250 for 10 years. Okay, if husband and wife both are the pensioners, then they can earn 9250 plus 9250, that is 18,500 monthly as a pensioner, and this pension is fixed for next 10 years. Okay, so and the thing they can also claim 1.5 lakhs of this deposited amount under ATC. It's an alternate investment product with fixed and assured return backed by the government. It's like a fixed deposit. Nowadays, fixed deposit rates are very low. So compared to that, this is the best investment plan, wherein after 10 years, your whole amount, the purchase price will be returned to the investor, to the senior citizen. Okay. If suppose in case of emergency, senior citizen can avail a loan up to 75% on the purchase price. In case of medical emergencies, they can withdraw up to 98% of the investment amount anytime. Tax is not deducted on the interest amount earned. However, applicant has to pay the taxes on the interest earned as per the tax slab. Let's see the documents which are the required for opening the account. First is the Aadhaar card. Then we need the proof of age, proof of address, and the document which shows that you are retired from the employment. Plus we need the passport size photograph. Okay, so now we will see how to apply for this account opening, this Yojana. This is the link where you can directly apply. Okay, you can also apply for this scheme through LIC portal. Okay, you have to just log in on our LIC site. In that you have to select the pension schemes. In under pension schemes, there will be the form. You have to select Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. You have to just fill up the form. You will get the access ID on your mobile or email, which you have to enter into the form, and rest form you have to fill up and you can submit. Okay, this is the online process for availing this facility on LIC portal. Also, you can visit LIC branches That will be the form available. You have to just provide them with all the documents, and you can fill up the form, you can submit, paste your photograph, and you can submit, and you can use this facility. I request you to share this video to the maximum people who are on the verge of retirement, and so that they will come to know, they will understand what are the different methods with different policies, schemes available under the government scheme, and they can think on it. Yeah, so then I feel my efforts are fruitful. So thank you very much for patiently listening my video. Next time we will come with some another senior citizens investment product. Yeah, thank you, have a great day.